Hello, welcome back. This is Seewing Yee from the Yee Real Estate Network. And today I'm going to go over the VA Veterans Administration real estate foreclosures. Right. So welcome back. And if you receive value from this video after 15 minutes or so, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also put your email into our link below so you could receive weekly, daily email newsletters into your email so you can learn more about real estate investing in the systems and process that we use. But anyway, so before I begin, I'm going to make this video quite fairly quick, but the details of this program you can learn at the bottom of this video, and there's a link that shows the details of this program. There's a slideshow, so feel free to watch that. Today, I'm just going to go over some very unique investment opportunity available for you. All right, before I begin with this, I have extensive experience in the areas of government, VA, Veterans Administration foreclosure. So all I need for you to truly understand is, in terms of your qualification ability, if you are a real estate investor, if you own at least one rental property in the past, and you have good credit and have down payment available, you could qualify to purchase some of these great real estate investing opportunities. Again, VA foreclosures are myself. I've been doing real estate investing for more than 20 years, and I help hundreds and hundreds of real estate investors to buy investment properties all across the U.S. in the fastest growing markets. Today is a very unique niche. Practically no one are promoting this. I have to believe that I'm the only expert out there that understand VA foreclosures. And over the years, I have entered many real estate markets in the country, around at least 20% of the U.S. Let's get to the point. So if you qualify to do this, please contact me. And of course, I offer consulting and coaching associated with this unique niche. Very few people knows about it, which is good because I don't want too much competition. So again, I'm an ex-military veteran. I'm retired active duty, U.S. Army. I retired a long time ago, 20 years ago, and I purchased many government VA foreclosures by past, and I continue to buy them. So I have a unique understanding of this. Virtually no one have understanding, right? Take it at face value. I'm here to help you. So if you're motivated, look, here's my motto, MOTO motto. Remember the commercial time ago, the field, the proud, the Marines. I'm looking for the field, the proud, the real estate Marines. If you are highly motivated with investors, regardless of where you live in the country, you could have the ability to remotely, passively be successful in this VA foreclosure system in a way that I'm presenting to you. All right. Without further ado, sorry for this long, drawn out presentation. I'm rusty because I've not done this presentation in a couple of months. But anyway, so this is the VA foreclosures are available. Again, military veterans, active duty members, or retirees, whatever for whatever reason, they buy these houses for 0% down VA loan as a primary home. And for whatever reason, due to stress or mismanagement or disability or death or whatever, they allow these properties to be foreclosed, which is very unfortunate. And however, the VA, the Veteran Administration, they foreclose on the property. These properties out in the open market into the multiple listing service. Yes. So you're competing against, in this specific markets, you're competing against primary home buyers in local market, in out of state. You're competing against other fellow real estate investors. You're competing against a whole bunch of people. I know this system very well. I've done it before. I have a lot of people over the years. Anyway, so on any given day, and this VA foreclosure website, available to the public, by the way, look, even think your experience, real estate investor, you have done several deals before previously, it doesn't mean that you know how to maneuver in this unique VA foreclosure Department of Veteran Administration Affairs. It does not mean, don't be too arrogant. It does not mean that you can do it all this kind of things yourself. For the most part, if you're a newbie, even if you're an experienced investor, very difficult for you to maneuver in the system, and not going to help you do that. So if you want to sign up for my coaching program, consult with me, contact me on my link below, my contact information. We can do a complimentary consultation over the phone or by FaceTime or by Zoom, a mere 50-minute consultation to determine whether you qualify to what will be. Of course, you have to pay a fee, upfront fee, $1,977. And for the next few weeks, the properties I can pick, hopefully you can consummate the transaction and close escrow properly. If not, even if the property that I'm presenting today, you're unable to get it for whatever reason, you got outbid by other competitors, I can help you buy another property. But it's a time-consuming process. My time is very limited because I have a large real estate network I'm managing for the past 20 years. I have very limited time, so I'm spending more time to do this coaching, consulting, or this VA program. So because of my precious time and the value of my time and expertise, I charge an upfront fee. Okay. Anyway, so any given week, there are like more than 100 properties. Of course, I have to find the right one that fits my criteria as well as yours. So today I happen to pick this property here on Cape Coral. So let's go through it. Okay. I'm wasting so much time already. This property just came on the listing is for, again, 5% down for risk investor. You do not need to be a veteran to qualify. You can be anybody as long as you have at least one rental property you have done in the past and you still have it. And this is a 5% down vending financing, 5% down payment for investors. This is an investment property. There's no PMI, nothing. You get the regular mortgage rate, whatever marketplace. Instead of paying 25% down payment on a usual rental property, you'll pay only 5% down. If you pay 25 to 30% on this property, out of pocket for you is normally around $120,000 down payment. Instead, with 5% down, vending financing via foreclosure system is niche. 5%, do the math. 5% multiplied by 433,000. We're talking $23,000 down payment, plus closing costs, $6-7 grand, plus rehab cost you have to pay out of pocket, which is another $5 to 10 grand. Look, like 30 to 35 grand. $30 to $35,000 total out of pocket will get you this trophy property. This trophy property in Southwest Florida. By the way, I have purchased and sold on my personal portfolio as well. I help many investors buy regular investment properties in Florida for the past 20 years. So I know what I'm talking about. I owned a property in Cape Coral 20 years ago, and I help my investors to buy here on a consistent basis as we speak on regular investment properties. But this is a bit, which is required usually 25% down payment. But this VA system, you can get 5% down. But this program is very competitive. Okay. You can't, if you think you could get a 30% discount on this property, you are an idiot. Okay. I don't want to be blunt, direct with you. It's a multiple offer situation. You have a lot of times you're competing against other people. You have to overpay it. Okay. You're not going to get 30% discount. You're lucky to get a 5% discount. Oh my goodness. All right. Anyway, so this property is this, I kid you not, this property, you could make this property a short-term rental using Airbnb. You can make this property a mid-term rental whereby you fully furnish this property. You rent it out for traveling nurses or digital nomads and healthcare professionals or whatever. You pay 15 grand or whatever to fully furnish this your unit, and you get top rent on a mid-term rental strategy. And finally, you could use it as a long-term rental. Okay. Trifecta effect. Why? Because in fact, let's look at the condition of this property. Usually the rehab cost is out of your pocket. I look at this picture and I don't see any major damage. This is a very clean property. It's 20 years new, 4-bedroom, 2463, 100 square foot. Still, I have no clue why the owner allowed this property to go into foreclosure. I'm not here to discuss that. I have no clue. They're not going to tell us. They're not going to tell you. It is what it is. But to me, this is an amazing trophy property. Very rare this kind of property becomes available. So we look at the interior pictures, looks very nice. So assume the cosmetic repair out of your pocket could be $5,000, could be $7,000. Okay, cosmetic out of your pocket. So great property. So the next question is, what are the returns? What are the cash flow? That's a big question. So for that reason, on an annual rental situation, I took the liberty of using rent-o-meter. So let's look at the 3-mile radius of this property. Okay, 4-bedroom property. And there are 127 properties that are being rented. Okay, within 3-mile radius. And the average monthly rent is $4,100. Let's look at the comparable rent. So this property is 2,400 square foot, 4 bedrooms. Let me see. This one property is 2,300 square foot. It was rented in June 2023. It's rented for almost $4,000. So these numbers, comparables, I'm not sure what is annual. Most of these are annual lease, 1-year lease, typical long-term renter. But some of these higher rent they're shown here could be mid-term rental situation. On a mid-term rental scenario, more than 30 days, less than 120 days, mid-term rental, which is an up-and-coming asset class in the full. You rent it to someone for a few months, you'll be fully furnished the rental and market it to furnishfinder.com. Then, this amount could be a mid-term rental. I'm not sure. Okay. Could be a short-term rental. I don't know. This one, look at smaller square footage within a few blocks away. It's rented for $4,500. So this could be, I don't know, could be an annual lease, could be a mid-term rental situation, could be a short-term rental. But suffice to say, these numbers are eye-popping. This rental rates, if the properties are similar square footage, fairly similar location, is mind-boggling. Okay. Well, one more thing I want to mention. This property have a pool. In this market, this type of property located close to the canal in Cape Coral with a pool, it is very desirable. Could be a short-term rental, mid-term rental, a long-term rental. This is a realistic trifecta, a trophy market, trophy location, trophy house. I could see money growing on trees. Tremendous multiple strategy available to you. Wow. So getting back to rental meter. So, all right. Anything, let me see what else. See, a lot of the property are 4-bedroom or only 1,800, 2,000 square foot. This particular property is 2,400 square foot. Nothing. So anyway, the long-term rent anywhere could be like 3,000 to 4,500 on long-term rental. All right. So you agree that with your 5% down payment, you minus the gross rent of 3,000 to 4,500. You minus your 95% LTV mortgage, whatever percent, 7.5% mortgage rate minus your taxes, insurance, and property management fee. You're gonna cash flow per month $500 to $750, even with 5% down. Yeah, it's just such a no-brainer from cash flow perspective. Of course, other benefit, tax benefit, appreciation, no pay down for the tenant, whatever. The numbers are really off the chart. Now, what I want to show you one more thing, couple more things I want to show you. So I will show you, this is one of the platforms that you can use if you want to convert this kind of property to mid-term rental. You sign up with Furnish Finder. It's a marketing platform. Pay Furnish Finder $99 for the whole year, and you can market the property on this platform. Although you can market a mid-term rental or short-term rental using Airbnb or the other platform as well. Okay, this beyond the scope of this presentation. about Mitchell Mentors, you can look at my YouTube channel. You will find it, or you can contact me directly. You can enter my website, log in your email, become insider, become a free member of my real estate network. Then you can learn more about mid-term rental, long-term rental, turnkey properties, casual properties in different markets, including VA foreclosures. But I'm giving you a sample of other listings on our mid-term rental listings on this Furnish Finder platform. Now, I don't know the exact. This is a 4-bedroom, 3 to 4-bedroom. Look here, Kid Coral. See, these all the listings for the mid-term rentals. For 74 properties. So listed in this platform for medium rental on properties similar to the property that we are talking about, right? 4-bedroom, 2,400 square foot. So look at the rent range anywhere from 3,500 to 10 grand. So your property could be rented as a medium term rental anywhere from 3,500 to 10 grand. Okay. Learn more about it on your own. See, look at the rental rates, because this area is highly desirable. It's one of the fastest growing region in the country. Migration, population growth, job growth, the whole 9 yards here. Close to hospitals, too close to universities, close to all the amenities. So Cape Coral, Southwest Florida is an extremely fast growing market for years now. And especially during the pandemic, it is what it is. Florida is growing very fast. This is my number one investment market. You look at the comparable listings. Take a look at this. Wolf Rand, 7,000 per month, 5,500. Similar property, right? We're pool, more than 2,000 square foot, 3 to 4-bedroom, close to the canal, which is a lot of canals all over Cape Coral. Anyway, this is a trophy market. You get the idea. Getting back to this property. Yeah, the numbers is off the chart. And this property, they go very, very quickly. All right. So I know the VA foreclosure system. I know the mortgage company that will help you with the 5% down payment financing for investors. I will show you around excess of 100 VA government VA foreclosure properties throughout the nation. Right. I picked the better areas because I know Florida, the other areas, but also I understand very well because I own properties all over the country, in good areas over the years. And I have, like I said, I have consulted over the years, hundreds, if not thousands of real estate investors just like you, wherever you locate. It doesn't matter where you locate in the country or in the world. If you qualify for financing, you have good credit, you're very motivated, you are fairly rational, intelligent, and motivated. If you see the value of getting a higher return, 200% ROI, your total out of pocket is 35 grand, okay, to buy 400 per trophy market. You can earn tremendous amount of cash flow, cap rate 7-8%, cash on cash return 20%, whatever. It's off the chart. Normally I show you the pro forma, but in this particular case, I don't need to, right? Because the numbers are off the chart. The growth, appreciation, cash flow, the rental market, the vacation market in this area is just off the chart. Okay. So trust me, look at my slideshow in the body of this video, learn more about it. If you think you qualify, contact me directly. We'll have a quick complimentary consultation, 60 minutes, all it takes to determine whether you want to be the feel, the proud, the realistic Marines. Thank you so much. And if you see value from this video, of course, if you think you qualify, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, most importantly, just put your email at the bottom into my website so you can receive free real estate investing newsletter every single day, pretty much, to learn about the system that I use. Right. Thank you so much. This is Seewing Yee. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.